Tornado.
Big or heavy?
They're cardboard boxes.
Wow. Oh, where's it? Video? Are you videoing it?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Oh my God, it's coming
That's
this way.
crazy.
It's not metal though, right?
No,
Oh my God. It's taking the roof off that building is what it's doing.
it probably is
Oh my
metal then.
God.
Oh
Listen
my
to that.
God, it's coming this way.
Are you sure that's tornado?
Yeah.
That's it
Oh,
sure is.
This is
Oh
like
my God, look at that. Unbelievable.
Is anybody out there?
Look at that roof. Oh my goodness.
oh, are they gonna come to us?
Soldier, what the heck?
Are they gonna come to us?
Yeah, I think it's coming this way.
Oh,
Oh, my
shit,
God.
man.
Oh my God, look, there's something heavy over there.
I know it's next to us.
Well,
Those-
if it
how
lifts
about?
up that truck there, then we're in trouble.
You're right.
I think those employee over there they're hiding, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Hiding somewhere. Those like
Oh, it's moving to the left. Okay. Oh my God.
Oh.